What's the meaning of Cabernet Sauvignon? Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon.
Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon is a type of red wine grape that originates from the Bordeaux region of France. It is one of the most popular and widely recognized grape varieties in the world, known for producing full-bodied, complex and age-worthy wines. Cabernet Sauvignon grapes have thick skins which impart high levels of tannins and dark fruit flavors, such as blackcurrant, blackberry, and plum. The wine made from Cabernet Sauvignon grapes is often aged in oak barrels, resulting in flavors of vanilla and spice. This grape variety has spread to many wine regions around the world and continues to be a favorite among wine lovers.